Hi! In front of me is Nokia 5310 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Nokia. First of all, you need to access menu. Now select calendar and pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. Then select add event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, set up a reminder, and even pick if you want your event to repeat. I will go with daily. When you're done, click on the middle button. Now, when I go back, I can see that my event was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, you can always view it. Select options by clicking on the left button and click on delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on the middle button. And after that, go back. As you can see, now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!